In this video, we'll go over all new Canvas interactions in the PanelClaw Calculator. Our goal was to enhance your workflow and make navigation and editing significantly quicker. Before we start, let's open the overview with the question mark button in the bottom right corner. This will show the main interactions available on the canvas. These controls support selecting, editing, moving, copying, zooming, and navigating more efficiently. Firstly, we've improved the map alignment. Now, you can align the map with 2 clicks. Once to set the first point, then click again to set the second point. The previous method of dragging the line over the edge is also available. There is also a new reposition map button. This does not change the map alignment itself, but can help when the map needs a small adjustment. That way, you can fine-tune the map placement without having to start over. Let's now look at the basic click interactions. A single click selects an object on the canvas. A double click opens edit mode, so you can make changes directly. And with a right click, you can open the context menu to access additional actions. You can also use click and drag interactions to work more efficiently. Clicking and dragging allows you to move an object, or in drawing mode, create a lasso to select multiple objects at once. By holding Control while clicking and dragging, you can add or remove modules from your selection using the lasso tool. And if you want more precision, hold Control and click individual modules to add or remove them one by one. With this new update, it's also possible to copy and paste both panels and obstacles using the CTRL+C and CTRL+V key combinations. Navigation across the canvas is now much smoother as well. You can pan across the canvas by right-clicking and dragging, and the same also works with the scroll button. To zoom in and out, simply hold Control while using the scroll wheel. With these updated interactions, the calculator becomes easier to navigate, faster to edit, and more intuitive to use on the canvas. And if you need help with your calculation, don't worry, our team of technical specialists is ready to support you with all your projects.